Ladies and gentlemen, in this carriage here.
Siempre a Dios Maitreya. ¿Quién es Dios Maitreya?
That is ready. She's going to be Buddha's mother, Maya. When she was sleeping, she had a dream. In her dream, she was kidnapped by 4 mysterious persons. She was led to the Silver Mountain and into Golden Palace. But in the palace, there was little white elephant. And the white elephant, incarnation of the Holy Spirit, finally penetrated the womb. After that, the Maya became a pregnant. So, I don't want to tell you every panel. If I tell you one panel, 1 minute, it should take 2 hours only on this level. We don't have enough time because okay, the lapas thing, yeah. And about Buddha statues, altogether consists of 504 Buddhas. 247 headless, some of the heads stolen. 2 heads of the Buddhas as a gift to Buddhist king from Chulalongkorn, Thailand in 1896 when the king visited Borobudur. When there was a big earthquake, the stone fell down. So damaged like the head, the arm, the leg. We were not allowed to make the copy, the replica. But we found 56 Buddha set. The problem is when we want to put it back, we didn't exactly where the head belonged to. There was like big puzzle, so it takes time to recognize. Yeah. Someday they will put it back. But I heard that in antique shop, illegal one, they sell as a souvenir for around 20,000 US for one head of the Buddha. Why expensive? It is antique stuff.
Sure.
So it's one of the beautiful panel here. That one, the relief is very beautiful. That the relief of the Maya, she went back to her parents' kingdom for giving birth. It's a kind of tradition in India and Nepal. The lady must giving birth in her parents. And finally, when it was a full moon, the Buddha's mother Maya, in standing position under the holy tree, giving birth to the baby, to the little Buddha. This one, the little Buddha, Siddhartha Gautama or Sakyamuni, his name. 7 minutes after he was born, he could walk for 7 steps. In every step he made, came out lotus flower. Baby standing on the 7 lotus. Why lotus? Lotus is a symbol of holiness. Even long time ago, when this temple Borobudur was surrounded by a lake, there was a lake before, it looked like lotus. Why no more lake? The 7 mountains around the temple were active volcanoes. So time after time, the material covered the lake around the temple. Maybe nowadays, just one of the temple in Cambodia, Angkor Wat, it is still surrounded by the water. So the concept is lotus, second concept. First concept is mandala. Yeah. And then back to the story. Why in Buddhism always 7? 7 days after that, she died. She went up to Nirvana. 7 minutes, 7 steps, 7 lotus. 7 days in a week. 7 level of nirvanas. 7 level of hells. If we are not Buddha, we have only 7 opportunities of reincarnation. Even chakras consists of 7 chakras in Buddhism. First one, second one, the third one, the fourth one, fifth, sixth, and seventh. Yeah, 7 is lucky number,
Mm.
and 8 holy number. The teaching of the Buddha consists of 8 holy ways. The 9 maximum number for human being, and 10 perfection number. Yeah, even in the football, the players number 7 until 10 always good players. Yeah, Ronaldo, Beckham, Johan Cruyff, 7, 14. Maradona.
Two times 7.
That lotus. Yeah. Then we have only 6 different hand position. Meditation of him. He had. Can I ask you something? He still have like a lottery in your country. You know, like in Holland, they have Richard Gere is Buddhist. Even a former national player from Italy, Roberto Baggio. Yeah, Baggio never came to Borobudur. There was something like an umbrella, this pineapple. We call it chatra. Consists of 7 layers. Chatra. However, on the top of the main stupa, it was destroyed by lightning. When they put lightning rod, chatra had been rebuilt by Mr. Van Eyck. The other time in 1911, he put it for few months only. Then he took down again. Now they keep it in the conservation office. 2 years ago, one of the minister from Jakarta had an idea to put it back, but almost impossible. It's quite heavy, 4.2 tons.
Oh.
Yeah, we need to make like a strong foundation on the top of the main stupa. That's why they didn't put it back.
Mm.
And then this man, actually one of the bodhisattva. In Mahayanic Buddhism, we believe in many Buddha to be Buddha candidate. We call them bodhisattvas, like Sudana, Samantabhadra, Sudarsana, Manjusri. So, and then it is possible when we want to get highest wisdom, we get help from someone else. That's why he ever met 52 spiritual teachers, 20 ladies and 32 the men. One day when he met blind people, poor people, sick people, he studied the way how to be patient person. When he met the holy man, he studied the way how to do right and meditation, the way how to control desire, the way how to do the teaching of the Buddha. But when he met like the fisherman, he studied the character of the water. But he ever met next Buddha. We call him Maitreya Buddha. Siddhartha, Buddha as we know today, he was the fourth Buddha. See, and then he died already. He went up to Nirvana. Now this, we are waiting for future Buddha. And China, symbolized by Buddha with big belly, happy Buddha. People make wish by touching his belly. Yeah. But Indonesia slim. Maitreya still on the Nirvana. He wants to open his Nirvana for him, and he snapped his finger. His Nirvana was open, and Sudana entering. After he learned everything, he was everything, he did for a second time to close it. Yeah, he wants to do it again when he would like to come down to the earth. But nobody knows when. Maybe tomorrow, maybe end of
We'll come down.
only
Okay.
God knows. Yeah?
Okay.
So we are looking for him. Three, the way to avoid desire, and always symbolize with the long. Here's the symbol of long life or wisdom.
The photo is still on.
And then people in China, they make wish by touching this belly. This is about 100 years. It was not so long. We didn't have the iron to carve the stone. To carve the stone of it. This is imported from China. But originally, the lava stone, the color dark like this, black. When you see the yellow one like this, because it was painted with ochre by Meneer Theodor van Eyck. Yeah, to protect it from the pollution, the fungus, mushroom, acid rain. And the second reason was to get bright picture. Camera long time ago on a black and white. When there was no sunlight here, people took pictures are very dark. With yellow color, little bit brighter, little bit colorful. Okay. Be careful, yeah. Do not drop. Do not drop. Because a week ago, there was a tourist also fell down. Keep making video, didn't watch the step, finally bomb. From level nirvana back to reality, hospital, level 1. Now ladies and gentlemen, look at this. This is actually the lion. But this lion is being eaten by the dragon. Why dragon? Dragon, the symbol of a god of time. Lion, the symbol of the king. Even the king finally would be judged about the time. And this lion, during the life, didn't use the time as good as possible because killing other animal to be eaten. So lion should be vegetarian, yeah? So, get punishment. They need to spray with the water, but when there is no carving like this one, the speed of the machine around 60 to 70 bar. But when there is something like carving like that one, maximum 50 bar. If too strong will damage the carving.
Yeah, exactly, because they no corrosion from the material.
And now that we are on the level 7, actually, we move a little bit here. This level is a level in between hell and heaven, something like purgatory or purgatory in Italian. A place for meditating to purify mind, heart, body before entering nirvana. Then here 3 levels of nirvanas. As I told you before, nirvana symbolized by the circle, 3 nirvanas, and are decorated by 72 small stupas. 73 included the big one, but big one is empty because symbol of emptiness. Just a small bell like this, 72 stupas with 72 Buddha statues. And then only 12 Buddha statues still with the head. Mostly the head gone for good. And the hand pose of the Buddha, this position, wheel of Dharma, stopping reincarnation. Yeah? And then there are 2 open stupas because we didn't find original stone technically. But philosophically they open it, one for sunrise, another one for the sunset. Sunset time, you take picture from behind the open Buddha, very beautiful. Yeah. And after this, I gave you free time for around 25 minutes, and the meeting point will be that place over there. And please be careful when you want to take picture in the place like this. You don't get the whole temple. Please do not step back.
Oh no.
Just 3 months ago,
Oh.
there was a German tourist. He fell down from nirvana back to reality, hospital, level 1. Just a boom. So we must go to hospital. So, okay, see you in 25 minutes. I will put the flag right there. Yeah.
Okay.
You're welcome. You may going up till level 9. Yeah?
Sorry?
Mag je ook?